Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College. Standard 6th English Grammar, Pronouns and its Kinds. Welcome students. Today we are going to learn about a new topic, that is pronouns. From the name itself, we come to know that they are related with nouns, as the word is given as pro plus noun is equal to pronouns. Now let us see what is pronouns. What is the definition of pronoun? Pronouns are words that take the place of nouns. That means they come in place of noun. Often use them to avoid repeating the nouns. That means we use pronouns because we do not want to repeat the nouns. Like for example, Ram is a boy. Ram is a good boy. Ram goes to school every day. Ram helps his mother. Ram plays with his friends. So here children, what do you see? What do you see? Which word is repeated again and again? We can say that Ram is a word which is repeated again and again. And Ram, what is Ram? Ram is a noun. So when we do not want to repeat the noun again and again, in place of it, we use pronouns. So what are we going to use in place of Ram here? We will use he. What is he? He is pronoun. So instead of Ram, we will use he. Ram is a boy. He is a good boy. He goes to school every day. He helps his mother. He plays with his friends. So instead of Ram, we have used the word he, which is a pronoun. The examples for the pronouns are as he, she, his, her, him, they, them, their, we, our, us, etc. Now let us see what are the kinds of pronouns. There are 6 kinds of pronoun. First one is personal pronoun. Second, relative pronoun. Third, reflexive pronoun. Fourth, possessive pronoun. Fifth, interrogative pronoun. And sixth, demonstrative pronoun. Let us see the first kind of pronoun, that is personal pronoun. In the grammatical sense, a personal pronoun is a pronoun that is related mainly to a particular person. Personal pronouns are not limited to people and can also refer to animals and objects. Now here you can see subject pronouns and object pronouns. Now what is the meaning of subject and object? In a sentence, when we see there are 2 kinds of nouns, we will always say that the first noun is a subject and the second noun is an object. For example, subject pronouns are, which we use for subject pronouns are I, you, we, he, she, it, they. And for object pronouns, me, you, us, him, her, it, them. Now here they have given you the examples for first person. Personal pronoun is divided into 3 kinds. Personal pronoun is also divided into 3 sub-kinds. First one is first person, second is second person, and third is third person. As I told you that personal pronoun is divided into 3 sub-kinds, in that the first one is first person. Now what do you mean by first person? The term first person refers to the speaker himself, which is singular, or a group that includes the speaker, which is plural, that is I, me, we and us. That means children, the person who is a speaker, when he uses certain pronouns for himself. That is called as the first person. The speaker, the pronouns which are used by the speaker, it can be singular, it can be one person. It can be one person. Like for example, one person will use which kind of pronoun? Like for example, I and me. He will use these pronouns when he is a singular one. I and me. And a group that includes the speaker, that is plural, we can say here one person can also speak and many of the people can also speak together. Many of the speakers can also speak together. So when many of the speakers, when they speak together, they also use pronouns for themselves. What pronouns they will be using? They will be using as we and us. So these are the pronouns which are used for plural, first person plural. Now let us see what is second person, which is the second subkind of personal pronoun. Second person refers to the addressee, to whom we are addressing. Addressing means to whom we are speaking. It uses the subject pronoun you. Second person refers to the speaker's audience. When a speaker is speaking to the audience, what pronouns he will use? He will use the pronoun that is you. He will say, you people, you are very nice. Or you all are good listener. You all are good listener. So he will be using the pronoun as you. That is second person. The pronouns which are used for the audience or for the addressee, or we can say the second person, is called as the second person. Second person means the opposite one to whom we are speaking. That is called as a second person. Now what is third person? The third person point of view belongs to the person or people. That is singular and plural. In first person, second person and third person, in all the three kinds, we have to refer to singular as well as plural. So the third person point of view belongs to the person being talked about. When two people are talking about the third person, that is called as the third person. When we two are talking about somebody else, that is called as the third person. Like for example, if we are having a class, I am the speaker. So I will be the first person. Whatever pronouns I am using for myself will be called as a first person pronouns. And when the pronouns which I am using for you, that is you is a pronoun. So you, whatever pronouns I am using for y'all, that will be the second person pronoun. And suppose when I am taking a class, if someone is absent in the class, like any XYZ person, and when we are talking about that third person who is absent in the class, that will be the third person. So what pronouns are we are going to use here? The third person pronouns include he, him, his, himself, she, her, hers, herself, it, its, itself, they, them, their, theirs and themselves. So these all are coming in third person pronoun. Now here in this slide you can see the examples of personal pronoun. The first one is I will be the first person. Second is you will be the second person. And third is he, she, it, that will be the third person. So this first lot is of the singular personal pronoun. Second slot is about the plural personal pronoun. Like if it is the first person, we will say we. When we two are speaking, we will say we. For second person, it will be you only, because you is used in singular terms also and in plural term also. And if we wanted to talk, we two are talking about many of the people. If we two are talking about a group, then what pronoun are we going to use for them? It will be they or them. So your personal pronoun refer to specific people or things. First person singular will be I and plural will be we. second person singular will be you and plural will also be you. Third person singular will be he, she, it and plural will be they. Now this is a previous slide which I showed you first when I was telling you about the personal pronoun. So here it is given first person, second person, third person. Now what are the subject pronouns and what are the object pronoun? I told you what is a subject and what is an object. First person we use I, second person first person we use I, and in that is in the subject pronoun, and in the object we use we. Second person we used as you, and here also it is you. Third person in the subjective form we use he, she, it. In the object pronoun we use him, her, it. Then for the plural, what are we using for the plural sense? See here both the terms are there, singular as well as subject and object, plural as well as subject and object. So now the plural form, in the plural what are we using for the subject pronoun? We in the first person, and in the first person for the object pronoun we use us. Then in the plural form, for the second person, in the subject pronouns we use you, and in the object pronoun also we use you. In the plural form for the third person, in the subject pronoun we use they, and for the object pronoun we use them. So children, getting it? We will be using they over here in the starting, in the beginning of the sentence, but we use them in the ending of the sentence. Now children, here you can see, as I told you, that in the plural form for the third person, the subject pronoun is they and the object pronoun is them. So when we use this in the example, how are we going to write? They like to play with them. They like to play with them. So they is coming in the starting of the sentence. So they is a subject pronoun because it is coming at the starting, and them is an object pronoun because it is coming at the ending of the sentence. So how we are using these are pronouns. So how we can write as nouns over here? So what we can say, we can say these are the two groups. So we can say that Mumbai Indians like to play with Rajasthan Royals, isn't it? So Mumbai Indians is also a noun and Rajasthan Royal is also a noun. So when it is coming in the starting of the sentence, it is a subject, and when it is coming at the ending of the sentence, or it is coming for the second time, it is called as an object. So here children, I have given you a short homework on personal pronoun. Now see here the information about personal pronoun is given, used as subjects and used as objects both in singular and plural form. Singular is I, you, he, she, it. Plural is we, you, they. And which are used as objects in the singular form, it is me, you, him, her, it. And in the plural form, it is us, you, them. Now the first one which is given here is write the correct personal pronouns. Use I, you, he, she, it, we, they. The first one is how old are you, Sarah? So which pronoun we are going to use here? You. Same way you are going to do with the remaining one. And the next one is complete the sentences, use object pronouns. I have given you the object pronouns above. What are the object pronouns? I need Sarah's mail address. I want to invite her to the party. So what you will use here? Which pronoun you are going to use here? Her. So I hope so you will do the homework. Please do the homework and write it in your grammar notebook. Now children, will end up here, will stop here, and we will see the remaining kinds of pronouns in the next video, that is part 2. Thank you children.